Sometimes you might need to translate so-called dynamic strings. Such strings are not fixed, but change dynamically depending on certain conditions or an action performed by the user. In our example, we have a WooCommerce store translated to Polish, and here's the only string that wasn't translated. It's dynamic because when we click it, it changes to show the corresponding number of items in the shopping cart. The problem with dynamic strings is that sometimes you cannot find them on the WPML string translations page. This is because you're looking for a wrong string. As you can see, I searched for the exact string as it is on the front end, but didn't get any results. You can easily solve this by scrolling down and turning on the option to auto-register strings for translation. Now, visit the page on the front end and click to refresh it. Go back to string translation and disable the auto-register feature so it doesn't spend additional server resources. Scroll up, click to exit the previous search, and try searching for the string again. But still, it doesn't appear. So now you might think that it didn't work, and you might try something else. Maybe you will scan the entire WooCommerce plugin. That's not necessary, because the problem here is that we included the dynamic part of the string in our search. So let's remove it and try again. Now the string has been found and we can translate it. You can see the dynamic placeholder, which is identified by the percentage sign. When translating strings that include placeholders, we suggest first clicking the button to copy the original string and then translating only the fixed part of the string. Finally, we visit the page on the front end and click to refresh it. We see that the whole string has been translated. And if we click it so that its value changes, the translation still works.